Good morning everyone, it's Miss Daisy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making another leafy greens recipe called spinach egg muffins. And so the ingredients you're going to be needing are 2 cups of baby spinach. You're going to need 6 eggs, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup of smooth salsa, mild salsa. You're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of cornmeal or flour. I'm going to be using all-purpose flour. And you're going to need a muffin tin, non-stick spray. I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil cooking spray, a pair of kitchen scissors or a knife to cut the spinach, and a bowl and a fork to whisk the eggs. And then also, before we get started, make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Other than that, we can start by getting all cleaned up by washing our hands for 20 seconds. And if you have long hair, make sure to tie it back. I have mine tied back. And let's go wash your hands. Okay, so my hands are all clean now. So the first thing that we're going to do is grease our muffin tin. So I'm going to spray some of my cooking spray all over. And then we're going to put this to the side. Make sure to grease it really well so it doesn't stick. Okay, it's all greased up. Let's put it to the side. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up our spinach. So it says that we need 2 cups of baby spinach. I have my measuring cup. Okay, here's 1 cup. We need 1 more. Put this to the side. If you can see. So this is to roughly cut the spinach up. So if you don't have kitchen scissors like I do, you can use a knife, but if you do use a knife, make sure an adult's there with you or let the adult cut it. Okay, so I just finished roughly chopping my spinach. So our 2 cups of spinach are roughly chopped. Next thing I'm going to do is add the spinach to a medium bowl. It's kind of large, but I prefer large over medium bowl. Put it in. And this is to add the rest of the ingredients, which are 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. I'm going to be using shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, so 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Next thing I'm going to add is a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup. have is our cup of shredded cheddar cheese, our half a cup of all-purpose flour, and our 2 cups of roughly chopped baby spinach. Next thing I want to add, is a 1/4 cup of mild salsa. 1/4 cup. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Right here. A half a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to add are 6 eggs. I'm going to lightly whisk my 6 eggs. Okay, my 6 eggs are lightly whisked. I'm going to pour that into my mixture. Okay, I'm ready to now mix all my ingredients together. So I'm finished mixing. This is how it should look like. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to scoop this mixture evenly into the muffin tins. Okay, so I tried to evenly scoop the mixture into the muffin tin. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this into the already preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 14 to 16 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Okay, so I removed our spinach egg muffins out of the oven and I placed them on a cooling rack. I was able to make 10 spinach egg muffins. I checked to see if they were cooked with the toothpick method of just like poking the center. They're all cooked. Toothpick's clean. So let's wait 5 to 10 minutes until we get the spinach egg muffins out of the muffin tin and we'll eat them. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed. I'm going to remove our spinach egg muffins out of the muffin tin. Here, I'll move this right here. And we are finished. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I forgot to mention that you can get some of these ingredients at a local food pantry. You can get a dozen eggs at a local food pantry for free. You can also get all-purpose flour. And at times, but not always, you can get cheddar cheese, a block of cheese. So stick around, and the next recipe that we're going to be making is Popeye Power Smoothie, which is a green smoothie that we're going to be adding spinach in it. So I hope you like this recipe, and until next time, bye!